7 Food Items You Should Never Have on an Empty Stomach. The food you eat plays an important role in maintaining your body, and when you should consume certain types of food is also equally important for your health. There are certain types of food you should never eat on an empty stomach, as it may wreak havoc with your gut. Here we look at 7 you should never have on an empty stomach. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Spicy food. Eating spices and chilies on an empty stomach may lead to acidic reactions and cramps. It also may lead to indigestion. 2. Sugary foods and drinks. There is an impression that drinking a glass of juices on an empty stomach is healthy, but actually, that is not the case. It may put an extra load on the pancreas and liver. Processed sugar should be strictly avoided. 3. Aerated drinks. Aerated drinks are bad for your health, empty stomach, or during any time of the day. Our stomach acid and carbonated acid from aerated drinks when mixed may lead to nausea and gas trouble. 4. Cold beverages. Drinking iced beverages on empty stomach may damage your mucous membrane and may affect digestion. 5. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are very healthy if they are eaten at right time. You should avoid guava and oranges on empty stomach, as it may slow down the digestive system. 6. Raw vegetables. Raw vegetables or salads should not be eaten on empty stomach. They can cause abdominal pain. 7. Coffee. Though it is a common practice of starting the day with coffee, drinking coffee on an empty stomach may lead to acidity. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.